Hi, this is Kevon with Dr. Flu. I'm going to go over a Valor G4, also applies to a Valor G3.5 that has a screen barrier as well as an outside trim. So once a year we need to replace the batteries, which is going to include lifting your trim about a ½ inch up, taking it directly off. You don't want to do this when it's running, but it just looks better. So the screen coming off the same exact way. I lift up about a ½ inch, and I take the screen off and set that to the side. Over on the left, I have a left side, it's called a courtesy panel. This can swing all the way open and allow you to reach a battery pack that's on the inside. You can open the battery pack, replace the batteries, and put those back in, and close your courtesy panel. We then take the screen, set the 4 legs back in the grooves, allow that to drop down a ½ inch, grab our trim, do the same thing in the exact same 4 grooves, allow that to drop 4 inches, sorry, a ½ inch, and you are done with your G4 and enjoying your fire.